how to download a Netflix shows to watch offline. It's very easy. First of all you need to do is get into your Netflix, log into account, then simply open your desired profile, right? So after doing that, now in order to download Netflix, what are we going to do is simply browse through like your Netflix and select the exact show or movie that you want to download. Let's just say I want to download this particular show right here. Now in here you can see this is the first episode, right? So if I want to download the first episode, all you can see is a download icon right here. So simply tap on it and your download process will begin. From here, if I scroll down a bit, you can see this is the episode 2. If you want to download it, you can simply tap on it and now the download process has begun, right? So when the download process will be completed, it will automatically get into your download download section. In order to see that, what you can do is go back and on your homepage, let's just say this is your homepage. From here, if you simply tap on the download icon on the top right corner, here you will be able to view all of your downloaded movies or shows. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.